And some of the points that Mr. Chaudhary and Mr. Pratap Reddy also broached is about the fact that is public-private sector, is public sector the right place to go? Is the private sector the right place to go? I mean, these are still basic questions that we're trying to answer. I think we should just go take a decision. Why is Air India not being privatized? Because they're vested interests. Why is something else not happening which should happen? You know, Jet Airways is going to go bust in the next 1 month. Is anybody going to protect it? No. Nobody. It's going to go bust. So, I think industry is done, companies close, companies, form. It's a natural process. It's like human beings. We all age. Some of us decay earlier, some of us decay later. So it's all about accepting the logic of business. Business entails risk. If there's no risk, there's no business. Otherwise, we do a clerical job. Every day, you just go to the office, file a few papers and come back. That's good enough, right? But that'll give us only a living. But if you're really talking about something which is an overarching growth, we need to go and revisit every little aspect of this whole economic political cycle that we are in right now. And I think those are the conversations that we all have to do. And every day we need to do that. The other thing that I also want to talk about was in any kind of a leapfrogging strategy, and we actually broached into some of those aspects Mr. Pratap Reddy actually talked about. Telangana is about, right now, 67% of the services industry. There's, less than the number I've got here is about, industry is about 16%. Agriculture is about 12-13%. That is the nature of this economy. So if we have to do some overarching things, obviously power has been sorted out. We need to go and do a bunch of other things in order to get to that big numbers. How do we go from here to the next big jump, which effectively means by 2030, we need to have 100% power access, absolutely 100%. We also need to have 100% digital connectivity. We need to have 100% physical connectivity. We need to have agriculture, which needs to have 2 crops, and the per hectare should actually go from 4 to 5 tons to 10 tons. We need healthcare expectancy, that should go up.